What's up, YouTube? I got a great video for you today because in this one, I'm going to show you how to make $54 daily. And this is going to be on Clickbank, especially for beginners. So if you're brand new, never made money on Clickbank before, or you're trying to find a way how to remain consistent, I'm going to show you a method that I'm using that is crushing it right now. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. So don't try to skip. If this is your first time here on one of my videos, hey, in the comment section, just type in Clickbank because that will help put this video at the top so other people can see it, and it would be very, very useful. So like this video, share this video with someone who you think is going to benefit, or if you're brand new, let me know in the comments. Just type in Clickbank. So if you've never made money online before, this is going to be for beginners. Maybe you have been making money, but it's not as consistent as I mentioned. So let's dive into the video right away. I don't want to take up too much of your time. Let's do this. So as mentioned, man, $54 every single day. And this is on Clickbank because I'm going to find the product which you're going to use where you're going to be able to make that type of money. I'm going to show you the traffic source that I'm using to be able to crush it as well. And I'm also going to share with you some simple little tricks and tips that I'm using. Most people are not using it, or maybe some people are doing it, but they're not sharing with you. So I'm going to give you some value in this video. So don't try to skip ahead. Don't try to stop and just keep watching. Make sure you got a pen and paper and just write things down. So the first thing first, you want to make sure that you have a Clickbank account. So I'm going to go straight into the video. Have a Clickbank account, and for this particular offer, I'm going to pick this one that is called TED Woodworking. So TED Woodworking, they have a good gravity score, and most people think that a product has to have like high gravity score in order for it to win. Sure, if they have a good video, they have a good page that converts, yes, they're gonna have a good rating, and they have a lot of people who pushing it. They'll have a good rating. But I've promoted products with that doesn't have a high gravity score and it still converts. So we're going into the home gardening for this particular video, and we're going with Ted's Woodworking. So it is a great offer. You can also check it out. You can look at it and see what it looks like. Now, if you click on it, you can turn on the sound and you can see. So high quality, high converting video, over 16,000 wood plans. And if you watch it all the way to the end, of course, they will give you full access. They have some great reviews on here and people are leaving testimonials. If you like to read, you can come through here and you can see what they're talking about. So if you're in this type of woodwork thing, it's great, but it is a good offer. The video looks good. It's not like 1980 or 1990. Very clean, very crystal clear. And I'm just showing you exactly what it looks like. So now we find the offer. The next thing we want to do is we want to create a page. So we're going on Instagram. And before you guys get ahead, I'm going to show you how you're going to crush it on Instagram and how this is going to work for you. So create an Instagram account. Very easy. It's free. So once you sign up for it, all you have to do is type in woodwork. So if you type in woodwork, just like how I did, you will see a bunch of different woodwork things that come that pops up under the hashtag woodwork. So all you have to do is just come through here, and what you need to do is repost some of these videos. Now, don't get ahead of me here and don't try to assume what I'm going to be doing, because the method that I'm going to share with you is amazing. So go through here and start finding some really good quality pictures when it comes down to woodworking and start posting, right? So at least a day or so, just post for 2 days, and not every single second or every hour, but at least you can put at least 24 posts within 2 or 3 days, right? So once you do that and you start getting some traction, you can use the hashtags. If you see some of the hashtags right here that are currently on the woodworking, you can use these as well. Up to 30 different hashtags once you set up your Instagram and you start, you start getting going. Now, the next thing you want to do, you want to go over to a website that is called Canva. And Canva is another free website that you can come on here and you can design some things. As you look down here, I designed some of my thumbnails on here as well. So we want to find Instagram. and we're gonna type in Instagram, and we're gonna go with Instagram stories because that's what we're gonna be using. Hang on a second, stay with me all the way to the end. If you've gotten this far in this video, right, remember, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Comment right now in the comment section, Clickbank. I need you to stop the video and in the comment section, type the word Clickbank. I will really appreciate it because this is for beginners, of people who've never made money online, or maybe you made a little bit of money but don't know how to do it consistent. And when I say you're making $54 daily, it could be more because this method is very scalable. So if you come through here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a quick little design. So I always go with blank, or you can go with one that is already proven. So it's already there. You can just come through here and you can search. Now, some will be for free and some will be paid. So if you look on here, you'll see the one with the three dots. You gotta watch out because that's probably something you gotta pay for. But you'll see when it's free, it will say the word free on there. Very easy, very straightforward. So if you look here, where? Okay, what's going on here? All right, let's go with blank. I'll go with the blank one. So we're gonna create a pretty little design because we want to find something, and we want to create something that is very, very attractive. Now, I always go to this website and it's called pixels.com. Right? So if you look up here, pixels.com, and I would type in woodworking. So I'll type in woodworking, and they have a lot of royalty free images that you can use. Now, for this particular one, if it comes down to woodworking, I would want to try to find something that is like, this is attractive, like this guy right here. I'll probably use this one. So I'll click on here, man chiseling, and I would just download this right away. All right, I'll download it. So once I download it, right, it's all downloaded already. The next thing I'm going to do is, hang on one second, I'm going to take this, I'm gonna put it right here. So as you can see, I'm walking you through the entire process. Now I will go back over to Instagram and I would upload the picture that I just downloaded. So this is a picture, drag it, drop it, boom. So I will make this a little bit bigger because this is for the Instagram story. Now this, very, very attractive. Now I would put some text on it and I'll go back to Clickbank. And what I would do is I would look at the description. Let's take a look and see what exactly is there. Now remember, some of these will give you affiliates, things that you can use. So announcing 16,000 wood plan. Now remember that, 16,000 wood plan. And here's the affiliate page. If you want to get some information with the affiliate, you can click on here. And this is how it works. Promote the highest converting woodworking product on the internet. So here's how it works. This is the commission structure. If you want to read up about it as well, feel free. If you want to sign up, and they will send you some information about what they use, what type of keyword, most of the things, you could do that as well. So you can check it down here. Just read, read, right? It doesn't hurt for you to read and see what they have to offer. Now, once we already know what we're doing and I already download that, don't need that. Now, I would go here. Would you like a, hold on one second. Would you like 16,000 woodworking plans? Boom, question mark. Now I would put this up here at the top. I'll make this a little bigger. I'll make this a little bit bigger, right? What I'll do is I'll probably take this down a notch right here and I'll put it here. And one second, right there, and boom. There we go. Would you like a 16,000? Would you like a 16,000? Hang on 1 second. Let's make it here. Oops. There we go. See? Now we're looking good. We're looking good. Would you like a 16,000 woodworking plants? All right. And then what I'll do is I'll come here and I would say swipe up. So once this is created, we're getting somewhere, guys. So stick with me, stay with me here. All right. If you've gotten this far already, you're a champ. I like it. Now we're gonna make this bigger. Make this a little bigger to like, let's say 64, maybe a little bit bigger. AI. There we go. So there it is, all set, ready to roll. So would you like a 16,000 woodworking plan? Swipe up. Now we have this image. The next thing we want to do is we're going to run some ads on Facebook. Now you can spend a minimum of $5 per day. You don't need to spend too much money to do what I'm going to share with you. So once you pull up the ad, not the ad, sorry. Once you go on Facebook, all you have to type in is business. And once you type in business, we're gonna go up. I'm actually in my wife's ad account. Oh boy. All right. Because I'm checking some of her ads as well. So we're gonna go to ads manager. So, but I could still use it anyways. Right? All right. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna create an ad. So we'll click on create ad. And for this, remember this, we're doing traffic for this particular business. So we're going traffic. Once we go to traffic, you can name it whatever you want, woodworking. Once you type in woodworking, woodworking, all right? So we go in traffic, we click continue. So remember, $5 a day. Remember that magic word. Now, once we do that, all right? So some of you will want to set up your landing page and all that. Feel free to do so. Now, this is pretty broad, all right? Because it's my wife's thing. It's going to be broad. If it was mine, it would have been a little bit. So for this, I think it's best convert from anywhere from like 30 years and older. That's what I think. All right. So we're going to test it. We're going with men. I'm not saying women don't buy woodworking stuff, but come on now. Men is more for this kind of speed, right? So I'll type in woodworking. So I'll type in woodworking and then I'll just get some suggestions. Wood carving, all right? Carpentry. See that? DIY. Now, I would come down here and I would narrow it and I would go home improvement. Boom. Oops. It's too narrow. I'll go with woodworking. Let's go again. Woodworking. Boom. Right? I would start off with 12 million. I know it's a kind of broad, but you got to start broad and then you narrow it down. So once you do that, come down here. So remember, we're doing this on Instagram. Instagram is where we're going at. We're getting rid of Facebook and we're going on Instagram. This is not Facebook, strictly Instagram. So we're going with Instagram stories. Where it is, there it is. Instagram stories. You can go to the newsfeed if you want, not a problem. All right, you can go with the newsfeed. But for me, I go strictly to the story because people are always in stories. Like stories are like hot right now. People are so inquisitive. They want to see what's going on behind the scenes. Oh, where this person's at? So that's where the ad is going to pop up. If you want to go newsfeed, you could try that too. But hey, I'm going straight for the story. So you see the story? It's down to now 3.9 million. Perfect, because I'm going with the story. Now, we all know that after they click on the ad, it's going to go directly to a video. So we're going with mobile, only on Wi-Fi, right? That's it. Only on Wi-Fi we're going because it's going to be a video that they're going to watch. We already investigate, and it's going to be a link clicks. How much do you want to spend for link clicks? Could be 15 cents, right? Or just leave it. Now you want to change this to $5 a day. $5 a day will give you 5 to 22 clicks. If you get one person that convert, that's $54 every day that you're going to be making. Okay? Now, once you do that, you can set up all this, click continue. Once you click continue, now the next thing we're going to do is, remember, you can change all this, not a problem, woodworking, whatever you want to do. After we do that, it's going to go not on Facebook. It's going to go to the Instagram. So you want to make sure that your Instagram is connected to a Facebook page. Once again, create a Facebook page. Very easy. If you know how to do it, you could just Google it, or you could just go on Facebook right now, and I'll show you real quick. And just click on where it says create. Click on the word create once you create your Facebook. After you create it, you want to click on where it says page, right? And then you create a page by clicking right there. So you create a page. Once you create that page, then you can connect the account of the Instagram that you've created. Remember, we talk about Instagram, and we said post at least 21 times over the period of 2-3 days. Remember that. Remember I told you, remember, right? So once you do that, then where did it go? Right here, all right? So we'll go back to the campaign. We're gonna get that picture. This is where we're gonna put the affiliate link. Now, most people are saying you don't have to direct link in, all right? You can create your own page, not a problem. And if you create your own page, you could do that. You can create your own page using ClickFunnels or Online Sales Pro. If you have no clue what those are, check out the link in the description, and you can sign up, do some trial, or you can use Wix or whatever it is that you want to create a page itself, right? I have tons of videos on my channel, so go check them out of how to create a page. Once you're done, this is where you're going to put the affiliate link of the page that you create, and you link it. If you want to grab your affiliate link over here, you can do that as well. Click on here where it says promote, grab the affiliate link. Once you grab the affiliate link, you want to take that link and you're going to place that link right in here. Now, in the beginning, Facebook sometimes won't be so strict because they're not even watching some of these sometimes. So sometimes you'll get away with it and sometimes you won't. Sometimes they will approve it and sometimes they just like, listen, you ain't getting approved. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you want to click on here and you want to upload that image that we just created. Once you do that, it's going to go straight on Instagram, and it's going to go into the stories. Make sure you turn on your pixels, and that's all you have to do, right? So those are the guidelines that you need to follow to get started right away, and you can start making and earn $54 daily. Clickbank for Beginners 2020. This is what I wanted to share. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, don't forget, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. I'll catch you on the next video. The name is Andre.